Guys, good afternoon guys. Tour ko kayo guys sa munting tindahan ko guys. Ayan guys, may mga taslan, may dress, may square pants. Iba-iba guys, may mga short, t-shirt. Ayan guys. Pasensya na guys sa background, medyo magulo guys. Ayan. Yan guys, mga coffee, iba-ibang classic coffee guys. May mga sitseria, may mga habon, may munggo, may mga dry fish, may payong, toothpiece, noodles. Ayan guys, may tanduay guys, soft drinks, itlog, bihon. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ito guys ang laman ng tindahan ko guys. Konti-konti lang guys, amat-amat lang. Ayan. May mga nanyang guys. Ayan guys. Ayan. Location naman guys, Guimaras. Yan guys, may mga bombay, kamatis, may asin. May mga kortina. Yan guys, magulo guys. Medyo busy pa ako guys eh. Yan guys. Yan guys, iba-iba sitseria na. Yan. May mga drinks, may Yakult, may Milster milk, may bread. Ayan, may mga noodles. Ito guys, iba-ibang biscuit guys, tingi-tingi guys na. Ayan. May mga Nor, Magic Sarap, Bitsin, may mga sundok tayo guys. Yan guys. Ayan guys, may Owel, munggo, laurel, may fish, dry fish, bihon. Yan. Yan, may mga Colgate. Guys, ito guys, maganda guys ang dress guys. Yan guys. Yan, short guys, 120 each guys. Taslan short. My boardwalk short 160. Overrun t-shirts is 180 guys. Location guys, Sitio Salagan, Hordan, Guimaras. Ayan guys, ito bago. Ayan. Bye guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Paki-like guys ha, paki-share. Thank you guys, God bless you.